Please click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to never miss any new video upload. Do connect with me on my social media handles, that is my Facebook page and Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Absolutely Creative. I'm Swathi and I wish you all a very happy Dasara. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make a textured painting of Maa Durga on a canvas panel. The details of all the items required are mentioned in the description box below. Do check them out. Don't forget to watch the entire video for my top fan shoutout announcements.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Absolutely Creative. I'm Swathi. How are you all? I recently posted a top fan shoutout announcement on my community tab and many of you have participated in that. Thank you so much for your participation. So now I'm going to shout out the names of my top fans. So the first top fan is Madhireddy Thirumal Reddy. How are you? Thank you so much for your participation. You are a top fan now. And the next top fan is Sukrita PR. Hello Sukrita, thank you for staying connected. You are a top fan now. And the next top fan is Aisha Imran. Hello Aisha, thank you so much for participating. You are a top fan now. And the next is Harshita. Hi Harshita, thank you so much for participating. And the next one is Sumit BJ. Hi Sumit. And the next top fan is Kavagana Manasa. Hi Manasa. And the next top fan is Shubhavati Kumari. Hello Shubhavati, how are you? Thank you so much for participating. And the next one is Anusha. Hi Anusha, thank you so much for participating. And our last top fan for today is Black Jogger. Thank you so much for participating. I wish you all my top fans and each and every one of you a very happy Batukamma, happy Navratri and happy Dasara. Andariki Batukamma, Navratri and Dasara Subhakanksha.
This year, as a Batukamma and Dasara special, we thought to dress up Virat as a girl. So that's how the name Virat turned as Viranya. And I hope you all will enjoy watching these pictures of our Dasara celebrations. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, comment down below and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Absolutely Creative.